Hi, this is Pete Zepps from Zepps Gear. Now I'm going to show you how to put retractables through my jacket. It's a little different, all right? Takes a little longer for this style. So what you're going to do is actually take your jacket off, right? And have it hung wherever you hang your harness, because you should be hanging your harnesses. Okay, so you're going to actually, same thing, undo with just this small flap, like I said before. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're not going to put the jacket on yet. You're actually going to feed this through first. All right, so I'm going to take each lanyard from my retractable. Okay, you can see, I just want you guys to see the hole there. And you're going to feed it through. And then you're going to feed the other one through. Okay, just leave your harness hung up. And you're going to take your harness and bring it up like this. So what you're going to do, there's enough room to fit each individual one, as you can see, through it one at a time. So I have the first one, and I'm just going to reach over, right? And I'm going to just pop the second one, just like that. So if you want, you just go like this. So like I said, none of this should open up, because you want it closed to keep you warm. So now I'm going to put this on. I'm going to grab it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab it like this. Grab your harness with the jacket. So as you see, it's ready to go on. You're going to put your jacket on, just like you would, all right? You can see, same thing as I said in the other video, you want to make sure your harness is on properly. So you're going to take your strap, put it on, make sure it's tight. The secret is, you want to make sure this is snug to your body, right? Snug to your body, right? Still got my mobility, okay? Now when I zip it up, right? To park my lanyards now. Park the lanyard, park the lanyard. I still have full mobility, still reach. As you can see, I can reach up. My sleeves are extra long, so that way you don't get anything coming down. You don't have this, right? You can see I can reach as high as I want. Full mobility. Look at the back, they're both coming out the back. There's no issues. If something did happen, this would rip open. Your actual D-ring is exposed, it can rescue you. All right, I'm gonna show you a couple other features real quick, what I did. And I'll show you another video after. I put a radio pocket on the inside. You put your radio in there now. You set your radio up. Just right here, you put your cord through it. When you put your cord through, you're going to unzip this zipper. You're going to take your mic, come out here, and you're going to clip your mic. So all you're going to have is a mic exposed. Everything else is inside the jacket. You have no reason when you're climbing that radio shouldn't come out. Always have your radio at hand, and it's protected. Protect what protects you. Zepps Gear out.